Can I have a bunny? And a pig and a crocodile and a lizard?
You really suck!
Yay, bunny!
Jab, jab, jab! Body blow, body blow! Breakaway move!
Aww.
What's going on? What's she doing?
Bunny, I'm gonna love you forever and ever and ever. Aw, Bunny.
Music, maestro.
When I wake up in the morning, love, and the sunlight hurts my eyes, and something without warning, love, bears heavy on my mind. Then I look at you, and the world's alright with me. Just one look at you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely day. When the day that lies ahead of me seems impossible to face, when someone else instead of me always seems to know the way, then I look at you.
We're here!
And the world's alright with me. Just one look at you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely
Duke, this is the best part of the day. Oh, is that her? Nah, that's... Wait. Yeah, that's her. That's her. Katie!
There they are! Max and Duke and Max. Aw, my boys. So how'd it go? Great, right? So maybe a few bumps. But I knew this was gonna work out. So, who's hungry?
Welcome home, Duke.
Thanks, Max.
And they all lived happily ever after.